Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video I wanted to tell you guys and hop on the channel and tell you that I will be in Asheville, North Carolina this Saturday, April 22nd, doing live scroll saw demos for the viewing public at Klingspor of Asheville. Klingspor Woodworking Shop is here in North Carolina. Their 4 stores are here, and they have a store in Winston-Salem, Cary, Hickory, and Asheville. I've been to all but the Asheville store. I've never been to Asheville, so I'm really excited for this. I'm going to be up there the whole weekend, and I look forward to meeting everyone. Klingspor reached out to me and asked would I be interested in coming up there and doing demos, and I said yes, and we worked out everything through emails and all. And then I asked them, could I get a couple of the flyers, and they said yes. I am on the mailing list, but I didn't know if I would get the flyer for this event because I'm not in an Asheville area or that county or anything. I'm here in Burlington and Alamance County. So they said yes, and they were also going to send me a few extra goodies. And I've got the goodie box here that arrived on the doorstep, and it is amazing. And they went above and beyond for me, and I'm totally blessed by this opportunity. But I want to show you guys this flyer here. You see it is the happy 8th anniversary to the Asheville store of Klingspor. They're going to have goodies, they're going to have sales. I will post this over on my social media feeds. This is the front of it. This is one of the ones they sent me. There's going to be sales at all 4 of the stores I did mention, and there is the address if anyone is interested. And really I should have posted this video last Wednesday when I done the equipment video, but I wasn't thinking when filming everything, and it just lined up where this video comes out the Saturday before I'm actually there. So hopefully the video gets out and everybody can spread the word. They're going to be offering free food, and you see there are some high-end tools that's going to be represented there. Many sale items throughout the store. First 50 in Asheville store get a free anniversary sale gift card or an anniversary gift. But really cool, and on the back there is the location for all 4 stores if anybody wants to pause the video and show it. And then there is a list of everything that's going to be going on up here in the Asheville store, or up there in the Asheville store. You see there is a lot of it, and I'm right there on the bottom. The Artisan Pirate YouTube sensation. I guess I've officially made it, guys. Learn to scroll saw start to finish. I am also going to be in great company. Let's see, Jerry is going to turn a wooden hat from 10 a.m. to noon. Learn to make birdhouses from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Chris is going to be turning boxes in finials. Those are really tiny and delicate pieces to turn, and I have never attempted one on my lathe. So really cool. Also, Chris Smith is going to be doing a CNC kind of sermon, not a sermon, a demo or talk about why you may need one. So really cool. The Western NC Woodworkers Association, Carolina Mountain Woodturners, and ncwoodworker.net will have folks there doing active demos and discussing their clubs and benefits of joining. I am a member of NC Woodworkers, and it's an amazing site to go and join. I will link it as well as all the Klingspor contact info down in the description box below this video. Hank is going to be there and showing you plain blade and chisel sharpening techniques. Gene is going to be wood turning pins and small bowls. Again, all these are going to be free demos to come out and see. Richard is going to do a French polishing demonstration, so really amazing. And then of course me at the bottom there, I am going to actually be there doing scroll sawing start to finish. I've already prepped a couple projects here, and I thought with it being Klingspor, why not cut out their name live in front of everyone and then turn around and give it to them. And I'm also going to do some compound cutting. This is red oak, and I'm going to be cutting out the Klingspor name, doing a compound cut demonstration. And I'm probably going to prep another few projects to take with me, and I'm going to take some of the items off the scroll saw display wall to show people what a scroll saw is capable of. That's going to include some compound cutting, some spiral blade cutting, some straight blade cutting, which traditionally I use. So just a variety of projects I'm going to take up to the store with me. And again, this event is Saturday, this coming Saturday, April 22nd from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. But I want to show you guys everything that is in the goodie box. Again, I just asked for a few, again, of these flyers just to have for posterity, to put in a file folder, to look back on fond memories and everything. And just, anytime my name is like in a paper or magazine, I pick it up, just for the memory and, just to have something for me to look fondly back on once I get older. So really amazing. I opened up the box, and on top was a sample of sanding stars. Enjoy, and it's in like a folder here. We will open it. Oh wow, that's what they are. Really cool. I call these like flapper wheels, so I didn't know what they were actually called, but really cool. It's fine sandpaper here, and you can put it in a drill press or put it in your electric drill, and it kind of can go over contours and everything. So they sent 2 of these to me. I think it's 2. Like a kid at Christmas here. That aside. But yeah, wow. Wow, thank you guys. Again, I just asked for the flyers and they've sent this amazing stuff. They've sent some sanding sponges here. Again, these would be good for turning, you know, to get around contours and everything. And there's the amazing Klingspor logo on it as well. So really, really amazing. There is some more abrasive pads here, kind of like a Brillo pad. That's how they feel the texture of it. They have sent a couple of their bumper stickers. No, that's not in the shot here on the sticker wall. They're up at the very top. But I Love Wood, Klingspor Woodworking Shops of Asheville, Hickory, Raleigh, and Winston-Salem. And then here is the Woodworking Extravaganza bumper sticker. I do have one of these on the tailgate of the truck, but I'm happy to have another one in case that now eventually just wears out due to weather and wear and tear. Let's see what else is in here. Wow, there's just a lot of goodies in here. Stickers, you guys know I love stickers. Klingspor stickers. There is some more advertisements here for the show. And yeah, just more advertising and all. Really, really, this box is packed really well, and I'm just amazed by everything that is in it. But let's see. The Woodworking Extravaganza. I'm probably going to also be up there this October doing demos. It's a Friday and Saturday show, and I will probably be up there on the Friday because Saturdays are usually busy for me. I would like to go for both of them. That is so far away from me right now. I try not to look that far ahead. My mind's set on the beach in September. You guys know that. But really, really cool. Here is the ad for it, and it is a free show to come to. It's at the Hickory Metro Convention Center, and it is packed to the gills with woodworking exhibits, demos. Tool companies come out and represent their products, and it's always good to talk to them, pick their brain and everything. Free admission, classes and demos, parking, and apples. They give out apples throughout the day. You can never have enough apples. They are good for your health. And they're going to be doing a $2,300 grand prize giveaway. So really, really cool. And October 20th and 21st, Hickory Metro Convention Center. I don't know if this is last year's ad or if it's this year's, but I do know it's always in late October because it kind of falls in with the pirate gigs I do for Halloween. More stuff in the box. They have sent, oh wow, sent me a pack of their sanding disc. These are 220 grit. These are the hook and loop ones, you know, with the kind of the Velcro. Thank you guys for that. Oh, they actually sent 2 packs. There's one with 180 grit. Wow, this is just so amazing. Here is, okay, this is my contact person that I talked to and we arranged all this with. And there is a Woodworking Extravaganza card. Probably pin that up with a thumbtack somewhere. And a little notebook here. I've got scratch pads laying all around the workshop, especially over at the laser. If I find a setting that I like, I will jot it down. You know, I have a bunch of pictures of the settings saved on my phone in like an important folder, like the length of the bandsaw blades I need, you know, just stuff like that. I'll take a picture of it just to have it. Their newest catalog. Really, really cool. I haven't got this one yet in the mail, but there we go. And again, this is a woodworking store with high-end stuff. And if you're a woodworker, I would highly encourage you, if you're not in North Carolina, to make the pilgrimage to come to one of these stores. All the staff are kind, friendly, and they can lead you in the right direction. If you just go in there and say, I'm looking for this, or I'm looking for a specific wood species, because they all sell lumber there, like Purple Heart or something, or it'll be like, hey, I've seen this purple wood, where is it, or is it a dye? They can show you and educate you on it. You know, they sell the exotic woods, softwoods, hardwoods, all of it. Here is a Woodworking Extravaganza sticker. I've never had one of those, so that will be going on the sticker wall. And last, a Klingspor Woodworking Shop ink pen. I've got these laying around the shop from my multiple trips to Klingspor as well. But really, really cool. This is totally awesome. Thank you guys for that. And I look forward to making the pilgrimage up to Asheville. Again, I've never been. I believe the store is near the Biltmore Estate, if anybody is familiar with that. I love history, so I will probably, when I get up there Friday, the event is on Saturday, once I get up there and maybe get a lunch, I might tour the area, and of course I'll go by Klingspor Friday as soon as I get into town and let them know that I am there. And really, really cool. I'm going to be staying in a hotel up there. I am allowed a guest. I am taking a family friend. Me and him get along real good, and we both kind of like history, and we both love learning new things, and I look forward to learning everything. I will be taking the camera with me. I do have a job to do here, guys. From 9 a.m. to 3, I'm going to be doing scrolling demos, so hopefully I can have breaks where I can go and maybe film some of these other demos where I can come back and show it to you guys here on the channel. But if not, I will be taking a ton of pictures, so be looking forward to that. Just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know where I will be this Saturday, April 22nd. Thank you guys for watching this video and listening to me ramble on and talk about how amazing Klingspor Woodworking Shop is. I feel very blessed by this. The goodie box was unexpected, and I'm so happy and looking forward to meeting some other woodworking friends while up there. And if you're in the area, please come in and say hey. I'll be happy to talk about scroll sawing while I'm doing the live demos. That's about all for this one. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social medias as well as ways to contact me will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one. And remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.